welcome. How are you doing today? So today we want to talk about how you can buy through an agent on 1688.com. People think 1688.com is the cheapest website they could ever buy on, okay? Although there is much more to 1688.com, because you can't understand the language they are speaking in there if you don't use a translator. If we want to buy through an agent on 1688.com, the rule is you are the one to search for the products yourself. And what you need to do is to just get the link of the products you want and you send it to the procurement agent. The person will help you to buy through your link and they will send it to your shipping company. Or you can choose to use your own shipping company, or if you don't have a shipping company, you can tell your procurement agent to help you to send it to their own shipping company. I hope I'm clear here. So what I want to explain here is that the advantages of buying products yourself is many, and the disadvantages is also there. You want peace of mind, you want to just sit at home and just search for the product you want, gather the link and send it to your procurement agent. They should buy for you. So most of the procurement agents usually collect money per link, or sometimes they collect money per product, okay? So I'm just trying to say that you can buy through a procurement agent depending on your choice. So I will be showing you how you can buy through procurement agents here. Buying on 1688.com yourself has a very long explanation, and I will be explaining it in this training because that is why you are here. You want to know how to go about it. So let's go to our Google Chrome now. As I have explained in the group, I said you will need to have Google Chrome on your phone because Google Chrome has Google Translate that comes with it, okay? And also you will need to have Gboard on your phone. Make sure you set the keyboard of your phone to Gboard, and I'll be explaining to you how to go about that because I want you to understand how it really goes, right? So now we will be going through the process of getting our Gboard first. If you are using iPhone, you want to go to App Store. If you are using Android phone, you go to your Google Play Store, okay? Go to your Google Play Store, click on the search bar and search for Gboard. Just type in G then BOARD, Gboard, then search. Once you search for it, you want to download the Gboard into your phone, okay? So once you download the Gboard into your phone, you want to click on open now. Once you do that, it says, as you can see on your screen, it says get started, okay? Once you click on this get started, it will take you to where you can enable the full access of Gboard to your keyboard. I mean, where you can enable the full access to your phone. You want to make sure Gboard has full access to your phone. Then you click on enabling full access. Click on it, then follow the instruction it gives to you. The instruction it will give to me on my iPhone will be different from the one it will give to you. Sometimes may be different to the one it will give to you on your Android. So you want to follow the instruction, okay? So right now I will be clicking on get started. Then it takes me to the Gboard setting, okay? Then what I want to do here is I want to click on keyboards. Once I click on keyboards, I will click on allow full access. It is asking me allow full access for Gboard keyboards. Then I want to say allow, and that's it. But on your Android, it may go through another process. It may not be long, or it may be longer than this. So just be calm and follow it as it's displaying it. If you are not finding it, if you find it difficult to access to do, please just send a message to the support group, okay? So let's go to Google Chrome. We have already given the Gboard the full access to our keyboard. The reason we are using Gboard, I have to tell you that we need translator also to type any message we want to type on 1688.com website or on the app. And sometimes I may find it difficult to be typing into translator and copying and pasting, although I will still show you that one if you find it easy. But for me, I find using the keyboard directly, I find it easy. Okay, so what you want to do now is to click on your Google Chrome, open your Google Chrome app and click on the search bar. Then you want to search for your 1688.com, 1688.com. So now you don't need to log into 1688.com website to be able to use it or to copy the link on it. You get what I'm saying? You don't need all this. All you need is just to come into the website. You don't need to log in. Come into the website, click on this search bar here, like I've explained to us in how to navigate the website. Click on this search bar. You click on this search bar again. Once you do that, return you see, as you can see on my screen, by clicking on this icon here, I returned my Gboard to keyboard. So you can do that. If you are using Android, you don't need to do all this because it will be stable. The Gboard will be stable. But because iPhone used to do give someone some little problem, you just have to return it to Gboard. Okay, so click on this icon here. It is asking me using Google Translate, so I say got it. Click on this Spanish, because I need to translate my English language to Chinese simplified. I will click on this Spanish here. Then I will search for Chinese simplified. Then I will click on this type or paste text. I will click on it again. It has changed already. So what we want to do now is to search for a product and copy the link and save it somewhere. I will show you how I usually save my own links in case you need to save your links. Okay, then I'll send the all links to my procurement agent. Okay, so I want to search for shoes. I'll just type in ladies shoes. Then I'll click on translate. Once I click on translate, it has translated it for me. So you want to make sure you just follow it through and know how to use your keyboard. Okay, so once you do that, it has already pasted into my my search bar. I'll click on this ABC, then I will search. So as you can see here, we have different kinds of shoe here, but what I want is a shoe I'll be able to pick different colors and different sizes. Okay, I'll be using this shoe as an example. As you can see here, the nice shoe. I will leave this place now. Then I want to make sure I have Google Docs on my phone too, as I have said in the group. Okay, so go to your Google Docs, click on this plus sign. Once you click on the plus sign, click on this new document. Once you click on it, then it will tell you to name your file. Then you want to name it whatever you want. You can say list of products. You can just say that, or whatever you want to name it. So this is the page of your document. What you want to do now is to go back to your shoe, that shoe you want to buy. Go back to it. Once you go back to it like this, then you want to go and check the specification. As you can see, it has already translated it for me. Then what you want to do here is to check specification. Click on this add receipt. This yellow add receipt button. Click on it. It will bring you here. Then you can see different colors that are available and different sizes that are available in the colors. For example, if we like here, we have white, and this white has 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40 to 42. Okay, so you want to look for the ones you want to buy. Okay, let's say I want to choose this color blue. So what I want to do now To be able to copy the link, click on this and it will highlight all the links. Click on it again and it will tell you to copy. But if you are using Android, click on it and it will highlight all the links. Then click on it for some second. Then it will bring copy, paste and others. Okay, so click on copy here. Once you click on copy, go back to that your Google Docs that you opened already. You remember you didn't close the Google Docs, right? Then click on it at once and paste. But if you are using Android, what did I say you should do? Just put your hand on it for some second, then it will ask you to paste. So paste. All these things you can see here that we paste, this link that you see that we paste, please and please, you can see that this link is menu. Make sure you don't remove just a dot. Don't remove anything from it, okay? Then you want to scroll down so that you will write your specification. You have written the link already. The next thing is to write your specification. So go back to your Google Chrome, click on this cancel, then it will cancel. It will bring you back to the page. Okay, so you want to click on this add receipt. Once you click on the yellow add receipt button, it will display something like this, like I've said earlier. Then you want to look into the colors you like. Let's say I like color black and I want color black that is size 38. Okay, size 39 and size 40. Then I will go back to my Google Docs. Under the link, I will say black. I can now put something in front, whatever, so that this person will know that I'm referring to this black. Okay, so I will say size 39. What other size is there? Maybe I want size 39, 40, 41. Okay, so I will say size 39, comma, size 40, comma, size 41, full stop. Which means I want this shoe that is inside this link in color black, and in the black should be in all these sizes. Okay, I'm done with that. I put full stop. Then the next one, if I want color blue of this shoe again, this same shoe, I will look at the name. This name is the right navy blue here. Okay, I will look at the name, then I will go back. I will type in navy blue exactly the way the supplier writes it. Okay, then once I do that, I will now look at the sizes that are available. Any size that I want to say maybe I want size 38, size 36 and size 40. Then I will say I want size 38, comma, 36, comma, then size 40. Then the next one, I'm just using all this as an example for you to really understand what I'm doing. The next one, let's say I want this gray color. I want to make sure I write the colors exactly the supplier writes them. If the supplier say it is pink rose, write it, or rose pink, write it. Okay, so I will write gray. I will now say the gray I want size 37 in gray. I want size 40 in gray. I'm just using that as an example. Then I want size 39 in gray. So let's now go back, go and search for a oil. Let's search for natural oil. Okay, we still open our Google Docs. Don't lock your Google Docs. So now I'm right on the home screen again. I want to click on the search bar again. This second example is not about the Gboard. This second example is about the Google Translate. So let's say you don't want to use Gboard. Maybe you are not finding Gboard easy, or the way I explained it you still didn't get it. So I want to give you another option now. You want to open a new tab on your browser. Once you open a new tab, click on the search bar. Once you click on the search bar, search for Google Translate. It will display the Google Translate like this. Then this English that you see here, click on it. Then search for Chinese Simplified. Then click on Chinese Simplified. It has already changed it. Then if the other language that is at your left side is another language, like mine is Hausa now, and I want to type in English, okay? So what I want to do is I will click on this Hausa and I will go and change it to the text language, or I should change it to English language, okay? Enter your text here. Let me search for grapeseed oil. Grape, click on done. Then I will click on this copy. Click on it. Then I will go back, that tab that I didn't close, I will open it. Then I will click on this search bar, paste, click on search. You can see that we have so many types of grapeseed oil here. So I want to look for a supplier that has more than enough buyers for the grapeseed oil they are selling. So I'll click on this one. So the next thing I want to do now is to copy the link, right? I will click on this this bar up here, this place where I am saying m.1688.com. click on it. Click once if you are using iPhone, but if you are using Android, you put your finger on it till it brings, just place your finger gently on the link, then it will tell you to copy, okay? Click on copy. Then you want to go to your Google Docs, your document that you opened. Then you want to paste under the link. You want to type in the specification for the person. So the next thing to do is to click on cancel here. Go back to your Google Chrome, click on cancel. Then it will display the page for you again. Look for the specification. You can find the specification on this yellow button, but I want to show you another way of seeing specification, and that is this specification line you see here. Click on it. Look for the sizes or whatever is available, or whatever specification is available for the product, okay? So I want grapeseed oil. Sometimes you may see that in this specification the person will write maybe 750 ml under the grapeseed oil, the way we see for the shoe, the way we see colors for the shoe. The person may write grapeseed oil. Then once you click on the grapeseed oil, the person it may display for you 750 ml, 17 ml, 5 ml, 10 ml, some things of such. So the next thing to do is to know the specification, right? So we know that there is grapeseed oil in 750 ml, but here the person did not write grapeseed oil. The person said grape 750 ml. So that is what you will write in your specification. You will say grape, then you say 750 ml. If there are other bottle sizes, let's say if there is 15 ml of the grape, you can say 15 ml. If there is 30 ml, you can say 30 ml, okay? I want to give you a disclaimer. No procurement agent has time to be sitting down and be helping you to check whether the product is original or not. No procurement agent has that time, because they have so many people to attend to, or so many things to attend to in their own life too. So you are the one that give them the link, and you are the one that will make sure, you should make sure that you check for the originality, or for the genuineness of the. So in our later training, I'll be showing you how to know whether a product is original or a product is fake, or a supplier is original or a supplier is fake, okay? So make sure you follow this video very well. So the next thing to do now is to click on this mark sign. Once you click on the mark sign, you have saved, okay? If you now want to send these documents that you have already saved in, if you want to send it to your procurement agent, the next thing to do, it even makes you look professional. You will not be looking like somebody that doesn't know what they are doing. Okay, so once you save it like that, you click on the mark sign, you save it, you click on this 3-in-1 button up here, then you come down here and you will see share and export. Click on the share and export, then you want to click on send a copy. Okay, it will say choose format, PDF or Word document. Make sure you send in PDF and click on OK. Then it is preparing your file. It has displayed that I should choose the person I want to send the link to. So I will choose WhatsApp or wherever you are messaging the person. If you are sending through email, click on Gmail. If you are sending through Telegram, click on Telegram and search for the person's name, then click on send. So the next thing now is for the person to just open the documents and start working on your product. So they will not need to be asking you questions, and if the product is not available, the next thing for the person to do is to message you back that okay, this product is not available, or do you want to choose another product? You say yes, okay, search for another one and send me the link. That's it. Oh, the only thing they work with, the only thing procurement agents work with for you is the link. And you want to be professional, make sure you gather all your links inside the page, inside the document and send to them. Don't be unprofessional. Don't look like somebody that doesn't know what they are doing. Okay, so that is how it works. Most of the procurement agents collect money per links or percentage of the amount, all the amounts you buy. Like if all your products worth 10,000 naira, they may say they are collecting 10%, that is 1,000 naira for helping you to buy products. They are not in the right position to go and be checking if your product is original or if it is fake.